Earlier in my video, aeration and overseeding, I mentioned that here in the triangle we have clay soil. And the only way to correct and improve this clay soil is with top dressing. And the reason how you perform that is that you take the aeration and overseeding. Once you remove the plugs, you take the new compost and sand-based soil and you actually scatter that throughout the lawn evenly, allowing the new material to get down in the holes for the air that the aerator has removed, the plugs that you have removed in your lawn, and ultimately allowing you to put a good layer of soil down as well on top of the lawn that didn't get the holes placed in it, and overall improving your soil composition. This will do wonders for your soil, for your lawn, and just your overall survivability. A lot of times, if you think about it, a lot of times when you top dress plant beds and you till in the new soil with the existing soil, well, then you're giving your plants the ultimate bed and the everything that it needs to be able to thrive, as long as you continue to provide water and nutrients to said things, that ultimately you will have a self-sustaining and overall a well-functioning area.